Yo, what's up guys? Sam here. So Apple just dropped iOS 13.1.3 already. This is like the 3000th update to iOS 13 already, which is really great because each and every single time they are correcting more bugs. And there's a big issue that I've been having with like my car Bluetooth that appears to finally have been fixed in this update. So per usual, I want to go over the changes, show you guys everything that's new. If you're excited for that, drop a like down below. And of course, hit subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest Apple news. So iOS 13.1.3 was actually relatively big in size. I was a bit surprised to see that, but there are so many good changes in this update that I think are going to improve your iOS 13 experience. Bugs that I didn't even know existed, some that affected me directly. So starting off with number one, iOS 13.1.3 fixes an issue where sometimes when you'd get a phone call, your device would not ring or vibrate as expected, so you could possibly miss it. Apple's fixed that one. Following that, inside of the Mail app, there's an issue where opening meeting invites might not work, so now you can open them as expected. Inside of the Health app, after daylight savings time adjusted, your health data might not display correctly, so that's corrected now. I don't know why that one was funny to me. It just kind of was. Next up, two backup issues have been resolved. One where voice memo recordings weren't downloading after restoring, and number two where some apps just might not download for some reason, again after restoring specifically from an iCloud backup. And then we've got some fixes for the Apple Watch, an issue corrected that would prevent the Apple Watch from pairing to your device in the first place, and also an issue where notifications might not pop up on your Apple Watch. I feel like I've experienced this one from time to time, just not as severely as the others. Next up is the big issue for me that has been corrected where Bluetooth may disconnect on certain vehicles. I know this was especially prominent for some Tesla owners, so if you're one of those people where you'd have to disconnect and reconnect on Bluetooth on your phone just to enter your car, it should finally work now. This has been a long-standing iOS 13 issue that I've experienced. Hopefully this update is when it actually works again. But also for Bluetooth, for hearing aids and headsets, the connection should be more reliable now. So I don't know what Apple changed in iOS 13, but the Bluetooth stuff should be back under control yet again. And then finally, if games that you play use Game Center for like keeping track of scores and stuff, there was some issues at launch where it wouldn't perform quite right. That has also been addressed. So this is actually a pretty big update, and I look forward to Apple rolling out more of these in the near future. Like I said at the beginning of the video, as I joked, 3,000 updates in, we've never seen Apple really address bugs at this rate, and it seems to be going really well. Like there's not a lot of bugs that are coming inside of these updates that I've personally experienced. So keep it up, Apple. This is pretty dope. To give you a bit of a preview for what is coming next, in addition to likely more bug fix updates like this for iOS 13.1, Apple's already got iOS 13.2 in the works with so many cool changes. We've got new emojis, which is something that I know people have wanted to see forever, announced messages with Siri, many other leftover features that have not come. So I will leave a video linked up in the top right-hand corner of the screen for those of you interested in 13.2. All right, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. If you did, drop a like down below. If you didn't, I don't know, leave me a comment or something. I've been Sam. Hope you guys are doing great, and I will catch up with all of you in my next video.